Good afternoon. I'm wishing everybody had a good Sunday. Today's date is 1/27, 2019, and I have the Dow Jones Industrial Average, okay? And I'm going to show the weekly chart. We've come straight up here, and we're going to hit a wall of resistance at this trend line. Now, for Monday morning, we are going to go down in the Dow, which is going to be on 1/28 of 2019. You better follow that. You better understand the reasons why. And I'll show it to you very carefully. As far as daily moving averages go, my friend, the 20-day moving average is at 23.885. And that's this line coming up, and it's going up. So the bulls have got something going there. The blue line is the 10-day simple moving average, and we've been bouncing off of it. And that 10-day simple moving average at 24,352.5. The one that's really going down in value is the black line. That's a 50-day simple moving average at 24,216. And we closed at 24,737. And we did. So that orange line that you see is a 100-day simple moving average at 25,043. We do have the buy signal, and we do. We had the gap up on Friday expiration period. The actual movement in the Dow is going to get top heavy at that resistance level. And in the very short term, the Dow is going to be overbought. It's not on sale down here where it was. It's got a 5-day move up. Technically, on a weekly level, we've gone up 5 weeks in a row in a bull run for 2019, and we have. And so, what I am going to say is that you should join our free live day trading room, 702-685-0772. And during market hours, live hours, you're going to be looking at me, which is the charts and whatnot, and all the plays that we're going to do. You can believe what you see. We're a market making firm, not open to the public. I'm the only one. And market making, or as a market maker, is quite different than a day trader ever thought about being. Much more sophisticated, better accuracies, how to flip both sides of the market, all of that great stuff. You actually will bring in bigger profits by far. So this is what we've had. We've had that bull rally, and it's getting top end heavy. So this is from the calendar of 2019 lows. The Christmas Eve lows where it started, the 5 week run. This is an apex. And either we're going to do one of two things. Either going to go up or we're going to go down. The tighter that it gets, and there isn't money to push it through, then so be it. And that will be the problem. And we're at a major wall of resistance. We've rallied all the way back up off of the lows. We have earnings season. We have the Chinese coming to see the White House, Donald Trump. Is there going to be a deal made, or there isn't going to be a deal made? I'm just saying that these markets are ready for a pullback from the great gains that it's had so far in January of 19. And they have. There's a lot of issues in the market with the earnings that are coming. And, there's going to be another big reversal on the down days. And you can make a lot of money with the options trading. And you can. We specialize in that. So you don't have to have any experience. And if you have a lot of experience, you're probably not where you want to be anyway. But you will get to be where you want to be when you're here with Free Option Trader. And you will. So I'm going to conclude the Dow Jones for right now.